I can't taunt its immune.
Because I'm too far away.
You have to go in at the same time. If Corp goes in and you go in, then you can taunt it. Yeah, you both have to be in melee range, so...
Let's finish this shit, boys.
Tell me when you have to taunt. You got it now? Corp, can you move in? Yeah.
He got it, let's deeps.
Oh, yeah, he's already in.
I'm gonna die, no.
Did I do something wrong?
Fuck, they're shooting the air. You see this? What the fuck?
They're lobbing them.
Sit.
What the fuck are they doing? How are they doing that?
They're shooting through the circle, so let's do extra
Yeah,
points.
Yeah, we can do it like that.
I gotta screenshot this. It's like fireworks.
Stupid boss is immune all the time.
Yeah, but mortars can do damage.
Oh.
Sabio,
Whoa!
Sabio, you've got it.
We got it! Nice. Good job.
Why isn't he using his lasso?
Behind the boss again, everyone. Behind.